Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. It is a community where traders, analysts, and also developers come to share their market strategies, market updates, and market insights. It is also a community where you can learn and you can also connect with traders of like-minded people. It is a community that has session for every financial market, be it the stock market, the crypto market, the forex market, the indices market also, and also the commodities market. It has a section for each of these. So if you want to be part of this community to learn more and stay connected on what is currently going on, you can visit investsocial.com. Starting with this trend for the day on gold. Remember guys, before you take a trade, we need to know what the trend is, then we have to trade with the trend. So our previous analysis, we said gold will literally give us a bullish move from this zone, and gold did give us that bullish move. So basically our prediction was right. We were expecting a rejection whereby markets will go bullish, and gold did give us that bullish move. So this movement is definitely not, is not of a surprise. Gold did give us the movement we were expecting it to give us. Now, starting with this movement right here, so you will see that market is ranging within the zone. Market was able to drop to tap our support zone. When it got to the support zone, it rejected and came back to tap our resistance. It got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and dropped back to tap our support. Market dropped to the support, rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance zone. Market also got to the resistance, rejected and dropped to tap our support. Now market has now rejected from the support level and it has now come back to tap our resistance. So we are to expect it to continue the rejection back to this our support zone. So the best thing you would want to be doing right now on your gold is to look for your sell. So a sell is what you should be looking out for right now on gold. Now let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. So I think gold will likely give us some more push up before it falls. I do not see it just drop it like that. That is not what I think gold will do. Remember, your bias should always be flexible. Markets will not always move the way you want it or expect it to move. But one thing is that once it is very flexible and you predict it to move a certain way, if it moves that way, fine, you'll be able to enter the trade and opt out with your profits. If it does not move the way you expected it to move, it's very simple. You can now change your bias to where market is now moving to, and you would go ahead to move with it. So always make sure your bias are flexible. For now, we are to expect a sell on gold. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys to know. So if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com to learn more and stay connected.